Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by stopping everything. Close Curseforge and any related launchers now. You back up the mods and instances folders so you can revert if needed. Next, verify the game itself is up to date because outdated game files often conflict. Once done, clear any stuck launcher processes in Task Manager or Activity Monitor and make sure your internet connection is stable. This prevents interrupted downloads later. These first actions set a clean baseline and reduce variables as you proceed. Now you reset the app data to remove corrupted cache. Open settings and clear cache after noting account info so you can sign in again. Then uninstall Curseforge cleanly and manually delete leftover files in the application data folder. On Windows, check %appdata%, on Mac OS check library, because remnants can reintroduce errors. After that, download the latest installer from the official source and run it with administrator privileges. This prevents permission issues and ensures a fresh, current install. Finally, you restore mods carefully. Reinstall them one at a time or copy backups back into place, and launch the game after each change to catch conflicts early. Make sure the mod loader and Java versions match the mod's requirements, because mismatched runtimes cause crashes. If problems remain, enable detailed logging in Curseforge and the game, then open the log files and search for specific errors. This gives you actionable clues. A key troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, try a fresh profile with 0 mods to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.